Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Old Tech New Look, and today we're going to have a new review and my son's going to do the review. So yeah. What are we going to do a review of?
We're going to do a review of my new Nintendo Switch. So get all this out.
Whoa.
Boom!
Okay.
I'm Spidey as well.
So Aaron, what do you...
So you open it from here?
So why don't you explain to everyone what it is?
No, just get out of here. I know what's... Get out of here. See? Got the Joy-Cons. So this one is the newest one. It's the white one.
What?
So you know the light, it doesn't have a standard. You won't like that one, don't you? All of you guys don't like that one. So we know you don't like that one.
Which one?
We're gonna play some Nintendo Switch games too.
Okay.
On the Nintendo Switch. It's not on the computer like Roblox. We might play some Roblox, we might not. I don't know how.
Okay, so are you going to break it?
No, I don't know how to get it out.
Okay, shall I help you?
No, I'm not. My dad's the cameraman.
Yeah, that's all good. Listen, you're just whacking it everywhere.
I don't know how to open it.
Okay, how about you calm down for a second?
I know how to do the Joy-Cons.
Okay, so what do you explain it all?
So the Joy-Cons, how you play, you press the buttons, how to play. So the game we play, you have to take the Joy-Cons separate.
Okay, so firstly, how much was it? How much was it?
This was £300, including gaming, 339.
Yep, okay, that's true. Right, listen, I'll get that out for you. You're going to break it.
No, I haven't. See?
Okay, well, there we go. So it's out.
So does it? Let's see.
Listen, put it up here so
it doesn't turn on.
See.
Oh, it does. So it says Nintendo Switch. Now that we've got the Joy-Con attached, the Nintendo Switch.
Okay, so what is...
That's a little doopy.
Okay, so listen.
It says English.
Yeah, that's a setup. That's a setup. That's the setup.
Oh, I just done English.
Okay.
So,
yeah.
Now that we have done it, let's see what's inside more of them. We haven't done the entire thing, but my dad will do the rest. So this is how you can connect it to the TV. So okay, so you connect it to the TV. So wherever your TV plug is, you put this in, charge this in the plug so you can play. So you basically, you know where the charging is, right there. You put that on the TV and then you connect it to this so you can play on the TV.
Okay, but what else is in the box then? Okay, so we got this.
And then more inside the box, you have how you can charge it.
Right, let me have a look. I'll explain what this is.
I don't know what that is.
That's a HDMI cable, so it connects this onto the TV.
Oh yeah,
okay?
So this one's the charger then.
Yes.
And then what's this? I didn't see the guy when I watched the video. Oh yeah, this is where you can play on the TV. You connect this onto the TV. So basically, what you do is, you know these Joy-Cons?
Okay.
You put it on the side of here and then you can press the buttons.
Oh, okay. So it's like a controller.
Yeah. My dad knows nothing about Nintendo Switches.
Yeah, well, he's not lying.
Huh? What is this? I did not see this.
What is it?
What? I did not see this. Oh no, this is where you charge it. This is where you
so it's like a charging dock.
No, the cable. So where you put it in, when you're done with it. You put it in here when you're done.
So it's a charging dock?
No, it's not.
No? Okay.
That's where you put it in. This is what I was saying. You could either charge it like in here or the other way.
Right. Okay.
So, when I just went to school, I was asking my friends that I have a Nintendo Switch for my birthday. Like, oh, wicked. You are so lucky. Like, yeah, when I'm only 6.
I know, you are quite lucky.
And then this is what you do.
Okay.
As well, there's some button right here. You press.
Yep.
And then you slide. And then you slide up. That. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. the thing just kicked. I'm so
Listen,
bad.
maybe you got the wrong outfit with them gloves too.
No, this will be okay. So then with that, you can do this. Turn it off now.
Okay.
So these are all of the accessories that come with it. Well, you put it when you're done with it. Then this is the Nintendo Switch, and then you've got the sides where you put on these, and if you want to play with a friend, and then you have this if you want to play TV. Got this cable to connect it to a TV. This is the charger. That's all of the accessories. And then the last accessory is you can choose one game. Okay, and I choose Super Mario Honesty. Okay, this is where you put the CD. You can grab it, okay, and then you store it. Then there should be one edge of a corner right there that you just...
Okay, we'll do that later because you got them on.
Yeah.
So that's what it comes with, and how much was it again?
It was £339.
And that come with?
With the game.
Okay. What do you say?
Thank you for watching. Bye.